Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing really well. You asked me and I delivered another SEZANE haul, always with the deepest review of the pieces that I chose, my honest opinion and how you can actually wear these pieces and incorporate them with your wardrobes. Also, I've come to realize that the lookbooks and the styling on SEZANE's website and on the app aren't always accurate, and not everybody has a SEZANE shop nearby. So seeing the pieces being worn makes a world of difference. As soon as I saw this Burgundy set, I knew I had to buy it. I love the Sami jumper and the Nael skirt, as I've tried them in the past in the ecru color. I ended up returning the set and I do regret it. Now I have it in burgundy, the major color trend for this fall-winter 2024-2025. So the quality remains the same. Fabric-wise, composition is again 53% merino wool and 47% organic cotton. A soft material on our skin. You can wear it on your bare skin with no issues, no itch. What I noticed is the size have changed. The skirt is size medium and is tight, really snug. So definitely I think you should size up. And indeed, it says on the website to size up if you are between sizes. Also, I wish it was longer, but maybe if I get a bigger size, it will also be longer. The problem is that the burgundy color is already sold out. Maybe it will come in stock soon. In the website, it also says to size up for the jumper. And this I do not agree at all. I went for size medium again, and it's quite loose already. Sleeves are long enough. I would say it runs large, so it is not cropped at all. So for the jumper, and if you are petite, definitely size down. I love these matching sets. It's the easiest way to get dressed, as you don't have to think too much. These sets are kind of life changer for those days when we don't want to put much effort in our outfits. All you have to do is choose your footwear and finish with some jewelry. In this first outfit, I went for my suede beige cropped jacket and my new Matilda shoes in leopard print. The different shades of brown match the jacket and complement the burgundy set. For bag, I opted for my suede dark chocolate brown that goes with the darkest browns of the shoes and ties everything together. For a rainy day, I can go with my Scott trench coat and knee-high boots. Just avoid suede boots and bags, as they will be ruined with the rain, and go instead for smooth or patent leather, like I did with my black boots and black bag. I also swapped my trench coat belt for this burgundy rope belt. That is another way to give a fresh inspiration to an old classic coat. And then in late fall and in winter, I will swap the trench for a long wool coat, and I can also add a wool big scarf. In this case I went for a grey long coat and my wool houndstooth scarf. That, by the way, it's again on stock. Another way is styling the skirt with a different top, and I went for my new yak wool camel sweater. And to give it a modern feel, I added my burgundy rope belt. I love this belt, it's so versatile. As for shoes, avoid wearing ballerinas, as the outfit would feel unbalanced. Go instead for boots that will compensate the heavy top part. Mine are also burgundy to match the skirt. You can wear any of these outfits to work, as they are really classic, elevated and chic. I love this set so much that I also ordered in olive green, as you can see. Olive green is a shade of green that's really on trend this season. It's also a classic color, it will always be. It's kind of the ultimate fall color. Can we take a moment to appreciate this golden shade of green? Fabric composition and design is exactly the same as the burgundy one. And as for sizing, the olive green skirt, as you can see, is larger than the burgundy. I also went for size medium and it's just slightly, but it's kind of 1 centimeter larger in each side, which make it also longer, and I do appreciate it. I don't know if the burgundy skirt was badly numbered and it's actually kind of a small instead of a medium. Unfortunately, I cannot go for a bigger size as it's sold out. This design has an elasticated waist, which I quite like, as it has this large band without any ruched. This way it won't have bulk and volume on the waistline. This color looks amazing with a light stone pair of boots, and to match it I went for an off-white faux fur jacket with gold buttons that pick the gold in the olive green. Bag maybe Milo in sandstone that matches the tone of my boots. Now let's style both pieces separately. And in this outfit I'm wearing the jumper with my khaki wool midi skirt, and you can also wear your sami jumper over a shirt. I went in this case for a black silk shirt, as I love the different fabric textures of the silk combined with the wool. I also opened some of the buttons of the sleeves to show the black shirt, and this is another way of styling this knit, to give it a different vibe. In this case I think black complements look just great, and so I went for a pair of black knee-high boots and black slouchy bag. Olive green also pairs really well with blue. And in this outfit I'm wearing my tomboy striped shirt under the sami jumper. Once again I left some of the buttons opened, and these will show more of the shirt, and it will also add some uniqueness to the outfit. The shirt has a yellowish camel seam stripe that matches the color of the matching set. I went for camel boots and bag, but some stone boots and bag would also do, as it will pick the white seam stripe of the shirt. Do you have a favorite outfit so far? I read you in comments. Let's move on to another piece, and this is the Maurice jumper in vintage blue, made in 100% wool, yak wool, incredibly soft, definitely the softest and warmest material SEZANE has in their knitwear collection. You should definitely try it out. I'm loving these minimalist designs, perfect for the masculine, feminine outfits that I just love. I already have this jumper in black, and now I'm adding this gorgeous blue to my collection. This is a vintage blue, really beautiful. It has the perfect length to wear untucked, to do a front tuck or French tuck, or wear it all tucked in. Blue and grey look amazing together, and in this outfit I decided to wear the Maurice with my wool grey tailored trousers. These are old, also from SEZANE. Black ankle boots and black bag to keep it simple. You could also wear a white t-shirt under the jumper, as this will add depth to the outfit. This next outfit is more casual. I'm wearing again my blue striped shirt under the Maurice jumper with a pair of blue denim jeans. My Axel boots, new also, in this rich chocolate, and a brown bag are the icing on the cake. This blue jumper is perfect to wear with blue denim jeans. Makes for the tonal outfits that I just love. Another way to wear a simple jumper like this is pairing it with tailored trousers. But this time I went for these camel trousers, as I do like these two colors together. I went again for my leopard print shoes that kind of goes with the camel in the trousers, and to match the darkest browns of the shoes I opted for my suede dark chocolate bag and a belt in also suede dark chocolate and a belt in also suede dark chocolate to tie everything together. Let's now talk footwear. And these are the Matilda ballerinas made in leather, a really soft leather, and they are not completely flat, as they are these 2 centimeters heel that I just find incredibly comfortable to walk. They have a pony effect leather like fur. This leopard print, it's just beautiful, really on trend. I'm not a huge fan of leopard print, especially in clothes, I only have one cardigan from SEZANE last year in this print, but in accessories I do like leopard print, especially in shoes and belts. I opted to incorporate the Matilda shoes that I kind of wanted them for a long time, but they've been sold out for also a long time. Finally came back in stock and I just grabbed it. So size wise I went for my usual size, which is European 40, and I may say they are loose. I wish SEZANE had half sizes, as I'm a true 39.5, but nonetheless better loose than tight. So as you saw along the video, they can be styled with trousers, with jeans, with skirts. They are incredibly versatile and they will also look great with tights or socks in winter colder weather. Next I have a new pair of ankle boots. These are the Axel in iced chocolate. I already have these boots in polished camel and I just love this design, love the comfort, love the quality. This block mid-heel is perfect to walk all day long. Here they are, fully lined in leather. Just love the color. It's a rich chocolate. It has a reddish undertone, so it goes really well with these new burgundies that are really on trend this season. If you like them, don't take too long, as they are almost sold out in almost sizes. Now I want you to tell me which piece is your favorite. I read you in comments as always. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful and that you can feel inspired by the outfits we did together. I think they were 10 outfits in total. Don't forget to like this video and comment to help YouTube show this video to more beautiful women. Again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye!